Yeah.
North Carolina, including
Another
the
flood
following
warning.
counties, Durham and Orange. When? Until 9 p.m. Impacts, flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Additional details at 5:56 p.m. Doppler radar indicated widespread rain. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Durham, Chapel Hill, Carrboro, Parkwood, Bethesda, Eno River State Park, Gorman, Jordan Lake, and Falls Lake. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. This is NOAA Weather Radio.
Yep, another flood warning in effect until Durham and Orange counties until about 9 p.m. Yeah.
Thank you so much for that weather
Update, so, yeah. Stack Elevator guy, stay tuned for the next EAS alert, so, yeah.